Storm Vortex Boring. Wait. Oh yeah, Superstar. Well, next grip.
I'm sorry.
I don't know either. There's some random ballers. Has bones. Cause I break it a lot. Got a kink step. Got a nice bite stamp too. It got salt and ports. An Eastern front wheel. Odyssey tires 2.25.
2.10. 2.10. 2.10.
I got a 2015 Fit Savage frame and curve off 20.75 top 2. An Eastern, I don't know what kind, but Eastern sprocket, salt and crank. But it, you know, the best pedals out, the Odyssey Twisted Piece. It's Shiloh Supreme. BSD never. Shiloh.
I don't care. This is going in the video.
Supreme. Half-link thing. With a pink colors. Seat. With a Shiloh seat post.
Mm-hmm.
Odyssey back tire. And Eastern back wheel.
We have to take a second here just to shout out Zachary over here taking a piss.
Oh, and I forgot Odyssey headset.
Odyssey headset.
Oh, Odyssey.
Hub sound.
How sound? Pretty loud.
Now,
Say the end. The end.
And
Subscribe.
That was my 2016 bike check. Like, subscribe, share.